Your job is being watched. Right now, as you're listening to this, artificial intelligence somewhere in Silicon Valley is learning to do what you do, but faster, cheaper, and without needing coffee breaks. Here's a statistic that will knock you sideways. Goldman Sachs predicts that AI will replace, or significantly change, 300 million jobs globally by 2030. That's roughly the entire population of the United States, suddenly unemployed, in just 5 years. And here's the kicker. It's not just the jobs you'd expect. Sure, we all knew robots would eventually flip burgers and drive trucks. But what about radiologists, financial advisors, even YouTubers, like me? The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. It's hungry. And it doesn't care about your mortgage payments. So buckle up. Because today, we're diving into the brutal truth about which careers are living on borrowed time. And if your job makes this list, well, it's time to start planning your escape route. I'm going to show you exactly which professions are in AI's crosshairs, reveal the shocking timeline for when these changes will hit, and most importantly, give you the insider knowledge to future-proof your career before it's too late. But first, hit that subscribe button, because the information I'm about to share could literally save your livelihood. And trust me, your future self will thank you for the next 10 minutes of uncomfortable truths. Let's start with the jobs already feeling the heat. And I mean, right now. Customer service representatives. Remember the last time you called support and actually spoke to a human? Exactly. Bank of America's AI chatbots now handle 90% of customer inquiries. These assistants don't get tired, don't take sick days, and don't argue with Karen about her late fees. Data entry clerks. If your job involves copying information from one place to another, I've got bad news. AI can process thousands of documents before you've even finished your morning coffee. Companies are reporting 80% cost savings by switching to AI-powered processing. Basic bookkeepers. While certified accountants may feel safe, basic bookkeeping is becoming an AI specialty. QuickBooks and similar tools automate invoices, categorize expenses, and generate reports. One AI can do the work of 10 bookkeepers and never makes arithmetic errors. And here's what's terrifying. These aren't predictions anymore. These are pink slips already being handed out across America. Now let's talk about the jobs everyone thought were safe. Spoiler alert, they're not. Radiologists. Doctors who spent a decade training, now outperformed by AI. Google's AI detects diabetic retinopathy with 90% accuracy. Human doctors average 50. When AI is literally saving more lives, how long before hospitals make the obvious choice? Financial advisors. Robo-advisors manage billions already. No 2% fees. No overpriced insurance pitches. Just pure data-driven investing. Journalists. AI is writing news, sports recaps, and financial reports. The Washington Post's heliograph system has already produced over 850 articles. That's 850 paychecks that didn't go to humans. Paralegals. AI reviews documents, researches cases, and drafts legal briefs in record time. Law firms are cutting staff while increasing caseloads, all thanks to assistants that never sleep. See the pattern? AI is targeting jobs built on pattern recognition, data analysis, and routine decisions. That covers far more careers than most people realize. But surely creative jobs are safe. Oh, my sweet, naive friend. Let me shatter that illusion. Graphic designers, AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E create professional artwork in seconds. Businesses that once paid freelancers now generate graphics themselves for free. Voice actors. AI can now clone voices with just minutes of sample audio. Narrators, commercial voice talent, even cartoon actors, replaced by AI versions that never need breaks. Music composers. AI generates background tracks for videos, ads, even movies. Hours of royalty-free music in any style. Spotify already streams AI-made playlists with millions of plays. Content writers, blogs, product descriptions, email campaigns. AI is churning out copy at scale. Some agencies are 70% AI-powered already. Here's the brutal truth. If your creativity can be reduced to patterns and formulas, AI has already figured it out. The transportation industry, facing an extinction-level event. Truck drivers. 3.5 million Americans drive trucks. Self-driving rigs are already on highways. Waymo and Tesla are pouring billions into making them human-free. The incentive is massive. No wages, no rest stops, no regulations. Taxi and Uber drivers. Autonomous cars are already here. In Phoenix, you can summon a driverless Waymo right now. As it scales, millions of rideshare drivers will be outpaced by cars that don't need salaries. Delivery drivers. Amazon is testing drones, sidewalk robots, and autonomous vans nationwide. They don't need brakes. They don't get tickets. They don't file workers' comp claims. Warehouse workers. Amazon fulfillment centers are increasingly automated. Robots pick, pack, and sort 24/7. Humans are becoming supervisors of machines, not the workers themselves. Transportation and logistics employ 15 million Americans. That's a lot of families staring at an uncertain future. Think your college degree protects you? Think again. AI is coming for white-collar jobs with a vengeance. Insurance underwriters. AI can assess risk, process claims, and approve coverage faster than any human. Market research analysts. AI predicts consumer behavior, analyzes datasets, and forecasts trends. Jobs entire teams once handled. Human resources recruiters. AI screens resumes, runs first interviews, even evaluates personality traits by video. Some companies are hiring without a single recruiter involved. Mortgage loan officers. AI evaluates credit, processes applications, and approves loans. Banks cut staff while increasing throughput. The irony? These are the same professionals who once said, "At least I don't work in manufacturing," before you update your LinkedIn to professional doomsday prepper. Let's be real. Not every job is doomed. Not every prediction comes true. Humans have adapted before. But here's what's different this time. The speed and the scope. Industrial revolutions used to take decades. The AI revolution is unfolding in years, sometimes months. And unlike the past, it's targeting every skill level. McKinsey estimates that 400 to 800 million jobs worldwide could be automated by 2030. That's not a typo. Up to 800 million people needing their next move. But here's the thing. For every job AI eliminates, it creates opportunities. The question is, are you positioning yourself for them, or pretending this isn't happening? So what jobs are safe? What skills should you build? Jobs that require human connection. Therapists, teachers, nurses, sales professionals who build genuine relationships. AI can provide info, but not empathy. Complex problem solvers, engineers, scientists, consultants. AI excels at patterns, but struggles with problems it's never seen before. Creative strategy. AI can produce art, but it can't define culture, brand, or meaning. Skilled trades, plumbers, electricians, technicians. Try fitting a robot into a cramped apartment bathroom to fix a pipe. And leadership. AI can optimize, but it can't inspire teams, navigate politics, or make ethical calls in the gray areas. The key is to complement AI, not compete with it. Be the human in the loop, not the human being replaced by the loop. I could sugarcoat this. Tell you everything will be fine. Send you away feeling comfortable. But comfortable people don't prepare for change. And change is coming, whether we're ready or not. Here's your homework. Evaluate your current job. How much of what you do could be automated? What skills can make you irreplaceable? What industries are growing because of AI, not shrinking? The people who thrive in the next decade won't be the ones who ignored the warnings. They'll be the ones who saw the writing on the wall and acted. If this video opened your eyes to some uncomfortable truths, smash that like button. Subscribe for more reality checks on our AI future. And drop a comment. Tell me which job you think will be the last one standing when the robots take over. Because here's the final truth. The AI revolution isn't just happening to us. It's something we can still influence, adapt to, and even benefit from, if we're smart enough to see it coming and brave enough to change course. The question isn't whether AI will transform the job market. The question is, will you transform with it or be left behind? Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel.